Hi guys, Will Ahrams here from the Marc Adams School of Woodworking in the turning room. This week, Marc is not in the building for Tool Tuesday, so I'm going to show you a couple turning tools. Down here on this side, we've got some different size bowl gouges. These are milled out of one single piece of steel and can vary in size. Now, depending on who you ask, they'll tell you what size they are. If you're English, they may measure the flute distance. And if you're American, you measure the bar stock size. What we've got down here are some different spindle gouges or spindle detail gouges. And these are for making nice details in your turnings, such as different beads and coves in spindle turning, as well as beads and coves in the sides of bowls. Anything that you want a little extra touch to. These are just a couple of the tools that we use in the turning room, and if you'd like to learn more, you can sign up for a turning class at Marc Adams School of Woodworking.